Hi everyone. Now if you're into a bit of music, and especially if you've got a youngster in the family likes his music or her music, and you want to give them something a little bit different for their birthday this year or Christmas, no matter what it is, this is a really nice little gift that I really enjoy myself. Actually, I think I might keep it. I might give it to my granddaughter, we'll see. But these are kind of like water dancing mini speakers, quite different, something nice to look at. And if it's your bag, I'll give you a link. You can buy a set. They're great. Have a look at them, see what you think. Well, here they are, and I know they don't look much to look at them there, but because they're not actually going, you can't actually get an idea what they're like at the moment. But what I'm going to show you is just the connections on the back. Okay, it's USB powered. Okay, and one links to the other, and you plug your power in this one here. It's quite simple, so that's the only thing that it does need. And also it needs a line input, which is available here. So I'm going to show it on this unit here. I'm going to jack it in here and play you some music for it so you can see what they're like. And yeah, quite good, a good little sound. A little speaker at the front there, as you can see them, and just something a little bit different, a bit novel. Come all the way from China, as usual. These things, you know, they are this kind of thing that are good on the market over there. My old favourite company, Banggood.com, yeah. But they're great. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can get them powered up for you so you can see them in action. So here we are, nice and dark now. I've got them plugged in, the little speakers. They're going into this little radio set here. I'm going to play some royalty-free music, obviously from YouTube. It's the only stuff I'm allowed to play, but it'll give you the demonstration that you want of these little beauties. So, Jan, if you'd like to push the play button, here we go. Whoa, how about that then? I rather like them.
Let's party!
I'm sure, you know, if you want a present that's a little bit different for somebody, especially a youngster, no doubt, you know, I think these would be very entertaining. They sound actually quite good as well, believe it or not. Quite a good sound out of them, and obviously the stereo. And again, whoa. That'll do. There you go, just a quick demo of these great little speakers. There we are then, dancing water speakers. Something a little bit different. It's just a bit of fun, everyone. It's not a serious thing. This is just something I spotted from our good old chums out there in China again. If you've got kids, birthday presents coming up, a Christmas present, it's just something a little bit different, okay? And I think kids will love them. Well, I know I do. I can't get enough of these. Let's go. Derek and 33. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye bye.
Well, I like them. I wonder if Mo would like them.
I'm sure.